Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and one of this is the straighten button, so this is our leveler. By just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, and here in the preview we can see this line, and this is useful, for example, when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we take a picture or record video. And as you can see, this line, when it's on the yellow color, shows us that now our device is in steady position. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to tap to the right corner once again, tap to the straighten, and now the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.